testing the Arrow was intensive. Without computer simulation tools, the Avro team relied on wind tunnel testing and scale model experiments. So this thing is being invented without computers.
That's insane.
I don't remember exactly what the analogy is, but like we managed to get to space with the same amount of technology that goes into like a calculator, basically.
Yeah, there's like the amount of technology in your phone, like any phone that's on the market today, is like exponentially greater than the technology that was used to send the first person
Apollo
into
missions,
space.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah.
That is not safe.
And at this time, or even before that, so there's no, like, it has a computer, but there's no computer simulations.
No.
So to test everything, and they show it in the Heritage Minute, and I guess the miniseries as well, is like, they're just taking a scale model and like launching it over the lake. And they're like, it didn't work. Let's try again.
Well, it's like the movie Hidden Figures. Like, it's crazy how words for things change, because the three women in Hidden Figures were computers. That was their job. They were called computers because they were computing information. Yes. Like in crazy.
Yeah.
and like doing it before there were real computers. Yeah. So like they had a Xerox machine, and that was like, they were like, oh, we're gonna lose like half our job.
They literally just have to do the math when the equation comes in. They're like, shit, all right, time to do some math.
Okay, like let's math it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So 9 models, each about 1/8 the size of the full plane, were launched on rockets over Lake Ontario to gauge the flight worthiness.
No.
It's literally like a kid and their dad going out, getting like a model rocket and like launching it. That's what they're doing.
Putting some vinegar and baking soda in there and just watching her rip. Yeah, it looks good. That trajectory looks good.
It's like, this is great, guys.
Now let's put somebody in it.
2 additional models were also launched over the Atlantic Ocean. I think the fact that they had to do 11 probably says that they weren't great.
Oh, gosh.
Tune in each and every Wednesday for a new episode. You can find us on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts.
And check out our website, minutewomenpodcast.ca. You can find all of our contact information and social media channels so you don't miss a single thing.